Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an old school classic. How about a homemade upside down pineapple cake from scratch? Now, this is not Duncan Hines, just to let you know. The unique thing about this cake is that it has 3 different types of pineapple flavor in it. It has pineapple juice, pineapple extract, and pineapple powder, which comes from pureeing the freeze-dried pineapples into a very fine powder. And we add that into the cake to give it a wonderful pineapple flavor, along with our butter, eggs, sugar, cake flour, and leavening to give us a nice, fluffy, moist cake that you're gonna love. This recipe calls for about 12 servings. An old school classic, absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all you'll need to make your homemade pineapple supreme upside down cake. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need some Swan's Down cake flour, sugar, brown sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, unsalted butter at room temperature, large eggs at room temperature, heavy whipping cream at room temperature, pineapple slices in 100% pineapple juice, freeze-dried pineapple, maraschino cherries, vanilla extract, butter extract, pineapple extract, yellow gel paste food coloring, and to bake your cake, you will need some Baker's Joy nonstick baking spray, a 13 by 9 inch glass or metal pan. You will also need a food processor and a hand or stand mixer. And there we have it. All right, let's get straight to it. So I'm gonna get started by adding the pineapple slices into this mesh strainer. Reserve the pineapple juice. Add the maraschino cherries into a mesh strainer. All right, in a food processor, we're gonna add 1 ounce of the freeze-dried pineapple. And we're gonna blend this until it becomes a powder. All right, we blended this for about 1 minute, and as you can see, that's a nice fine powder. Exactly what we want. All right, now let's get started with our dry ingredients. So in this medium-sized bowl, the mesh strainer, I'm gonna add 2 1/4 cups of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, the 1 ounce of pineapple powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to sift all the ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. Alright, now let's get started with our wet ingredients. So in a separate medium-sized bowl, we're going to add 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream at room temperature, 2/3 cup of pineapple juice at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of butter extract, 2 teaspoons of pineapple extract, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of yellow gel paste or liquid food coloring. I'm just going to swirl that in there. Now I'm going to take my whisk and just stir this until combined. Alright, let's get started with the preparation of our cake batter. So in our stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, remember you can also use a hand mixer as well. Add 2 sticks of unsalted butter softened and at room temperature, and 2 1/4 cups of sugar. Now I'm going to start my mixer on a medium-low speed just to get that butter and sugar incorporated. Then I'm going to turn my mixer up to the highest setting, and I'm going to mix this on high speed for 6 minutes. Now at some point during those 6 minutes, you're going to go ahead and stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now you're going to continue mixing that in. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now I'm going to add 4 large eggs in at room temperature, 1 at a time, while mixing on a medium speed. Make sure that you stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now let's continue. All right, scrape down the sides of your bowl. All right, now I'm gonna alternate the pineapple cream mixture and the cake flour mixture into the batter. Now I'm gonna add the cake flour mixture and the pineapple cream mixture into the batter 3 separate times. We're not doing any measurements or anything like that. All right, so I'm gonna add the first amount of the cake flour mixture and the first amount of the pineapple cream mixture. And I'm gonna mix this on a medium-low speed until combined. It shouldn't take no more than 15 seconds total. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add the second amount of the cake flour mixture and the second amount of the pineapple cream mixture. Mix this on a medium-low speed until combined, again, for about 15 seconds. All right, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add the third and final amount of the cake flour mixture and the third and final amount of the pineapple cream mixture. And I'm gonna mix this on a medium-low speed for about 15 seconds. All right, scrape down the sides of your bowl and our pineapple cake batter is now ready. All right, now I went ahead and spread the sides of my baking pan with the Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray. Now I'm gonna add 1 stick of melted unsalted butter. Make sure you get a spatula to get that all on in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just spread the butter around evenly as possible. I'm gonna give it a quick shake to make sure it's nice and balanced in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Now I'm gonna just kind of mix this in a little bit. Just spread that around. Now I'm gonna just add a little pinch of salt on top. Just sprinkle that. That's gonna bring out the flavors a little bit. Now I'm gonna add the pineapple slices. Now the rest of the pineapple slices, you could take those and break those in half and just place those right. Now I'm gonna add the maraschino cherries. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 325 degrees. I'm gonna just take my cake batter and I'm just gonna carefully pour that right on top. I'm gonna just take a spatula and just spread this around as evenly as possible. Now to make the batter more even, just shake your pan slightly, very gently. Now it is ready to be baked. I'm gonna place my cake into a preheated 325 degree oven on the bottom rack. And I'm gonna bake this for 45 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been about 45 minutes for our cake. Now let's go ahead and remove this out of the oven. Toothpick inserted into the cake. Should come out clean. Now you're gonna let this cake cool until it's warm, or you could let it cool completely. All right, I let my cake cool for about 3 hours. It's still a little warm, but that's all right. I'm gonna take this cake pad and I'm just gonna flip the cake onto the cake pad. Let's let it sit on there for a couple of seconds. See what's gonna happen. All right, here's the finale. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! You got some parts in the pan. I'm gonna just put that back on there. And from there, the cake is ready to be served. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Y'all, look at how soft this cake is. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Man, it's so good. Y'all, I have to tell you this. It's soft, it's moist, it has a wonderful pineapple flavor. Now, people might ask me, does it taste like Duncan Hines? In my opinion, it tastes better than Duncan Hines. In my opinion, it has more of a natural flavored pineapple versus with the Duncan Hines. They got artificial and regular flavor mixed together. But y'all, when y'all try this cake, y'all gonna be like, Duncan who? So I was like, yeah, I'm telling y'all, for real, it is absolutely delicious, moist, flavorful. It's gonna surprise all y'all guests at the dinner table when y'all have dessert. Woo-wee. So, give the recipe a try. Hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including this fabulous homemade upside down pineapple cake recipe. You can go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. I'm also on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a great day. Peace.